Hello friends, welcome to Eat Nutritious. Thanks for your support shown on my first video. Today I am going to discuss some important facts about vegetable oil. Before moving into the topic, let us have a brief look on the types of fats. Generally, we saw saturated, unsaturated, polysaturated fats as nutritional information on eatable products packaging. Saturated fatty acid structure is formed by a single bond which is heat resistant, whereas saturated fatty acid structure is formed by a double bond which shows it is easily broken when it is heated. Polyunsaturated fat contains two or more double bonds, which is very sensitive to heating. Commercial vegetable oils also contain trans fat. The high intake of trans fat causes chronic diseases. Now move to vegetable oil. Why vegetable oil is called as a toxic substance? Because edible oil extracted from plants by using a chemical solvent. Today, two-thirds of our calories come from either toxic seed oils or blood sugar elevating carbohydrates and sweets. So, nutritionists prefer oils that are made by crushing or pressing plants or seeds rather than those produced using chemicals. Vegetable oil also contains both omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids that are essential for our diet because your diet cannot produce them. But scientists suggest that too much omega-6 relative fatty acids may contribute to chronic inflammation such as heart disease, cancer, diabetes, and arthritis. And these oils are also easily oxidized. Oxidation can damage vital molecules in our cells, including DNA and protein. Try to avoid these oils due to their high omega 6 contents. Soybean oil, corn oil, sunflower oil, peanut oil, sesame oil, rice bran oil. Try this healthy oil for cooking. Coconut oil. Coconut oil, when it comes to high heat cooking, coconut oil is the best choice. Olive oil is an excellent example of healthy vegetable oil that contains low in omega-6 fatty acids. Studies on olive oil show that despite having fatty acid with double bonds, you can still use it for cooking as it's fairly resistant to the heat. Make sure to choose quality extra virgin olive oil because it has much more nutrients and antioxidant than the refined type. Many scientists and researchers call vegetable oil as brain's worst enemy. Why? These days it is normal to see a person suffering from depression, Alzheimer's. Alzheimer's is a disease which is related to brain disorder that slowly destroys memory and thinking skills. Unlike the other vital organs, the brain lacks a sensory system to alert us when it is in pain. Vegetable oil also damages the other tissues in the body, such as gut. In gut, the inflammation is created which causes us heartburn, which is a warning sign whatever we are eating is harmful. Unfortunately, many people wrongly attribute heartburn in spicy foods to the spices and simply ignore the warning signs. It also targets lipoproteins, arteries in which it disrupts the regulation of blood flow through the brain. With white blood cells, it turns our immune system against us, causing food and infection diseases to trigger nerve degenerating reactions. With nerve cellular architecture, vegetable oil cause an overload of oxidative reactions inside the cell, leading to accumulation of intracellular trash. When it affects, we lose our mobility, our gray matter, our personalities, our connections to the world. With gene replication, it impairs brain development through direct mutagenic effects on DNA and alternate epigenetic expressions. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe the channel for more interesting updates.